Welcome to the Affiliate Account Creation tutorial. This guide will walk you through setting up an affiliate account step by step. Let's get started. Navigate to the Affiliate section and click the Create Affiliate button. Next, fill in the required details. Enter the affiliate's first name. Enter the last name. Provide a valid email address. Set a password, either choose your own or use a system-generated one. Optionally, assign an account manager by selecting one from the list of existing managers. For guidance on creating an account manager, refer to the Account Manager tutorial. Select the gender, male or female. Choose the account status, active, pending, or rejected. Enter the company name, this is required. Optionally, provide a mobile number and website URL. Once all details are complete, click Save Changes to create the affiliate account. Your affiliate account is now created and visible in the list. Congratulations! You've successfully set up an affiliate account. Refer to related tutorials for more details, and start managing your affiliates today. Thank you for watching this tutorial.